So today's this is midnight. I don't really feel like sleepy. I don't know what's keeping me awake. I just feel like, okay, let me just watch Netflix and just edit. How you guys doing? If you don't feel like sleeping, what do you do? Good morning, guys. How's your night?
I just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself. Is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay.
You see, 4 days now, there is no light in Abuja. Each day, I try to bring out one thing to throw away in this fridge. So I think today is the last day that I have to pack everything and throw it out. You know, everything I just have to, because every day I keep picking one thing or the other to throw. This picnic, I have no idea that it has been in the fridge. I don't know how it hides in one corner like that in the fridge. So I don't even know. Let me check the expiry date if it is still. If it does not expire, okay, best before November 2022. So I think I can still take it. It hid inside the fridge. I didn't even know that I still have one left. So I want to clean my fridge thoroughly. And I watched one YouTube video that they say that if you add lime to the water they're using to wash your fridge, that it will reduce it will control smell. You know, there has not been lime for some time, and it's not that the fridge is smelly, but I just want to do that. Though I bought this lime for a very long time now and it's almost dry, so I don't even know if we still have water inside. So we have to cut it and know if we still have water in it. If we don't have, then I just have to use the water just like that, because I don't think I'll be going to the market today and I need to clean up the fridge. This one that is so very hard to cut like this. Are you sure there is anything that like is like water inside?
Stay with it, please. Stay with it, please. You can take all the time that you need. I know that you agree.
Our fridge cleaning water is ready. Look at the lime inside. So I've taken almost everything out already, plus all this wine. I need to take all of them out, even plus the water. I have to take everything out. Some of you may actually be thinking that maybe if you add lime to the water, it may not foam. Look at it. There is lime in this water, but it still foams. I think I'm even done cleaning already. I'm done cleaning. So it's not that the fridge is that dirty, but I just wanted to use odor control like lime to control it. I hate it when you open the fridge and you perceive any smell at all completely. I just hate it. So I have some tomatoes, some pepper, I have onions. I actually have some garlic and ginger, but I cannot use them because we don't even have light for me to blend them. These ones I have to chop, you know, for me to be able to have my sauce. So
I just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself. Is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay. You made me feel the same way. What goes around comes around. That's what I always say. 'Cause I just got off the phone with the girl girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself. Is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay. You made me feel the same way. What goes around comes around. That's what I always say. 'Cause I just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself. Is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay. You made me feel the same way. What goes around comes around. That's what I always say. 'Cause I just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself. Is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay.
So guys, it's late and I'm going out for a movie date. Yeah, I'm going to the cinema, have a date today to meet up. So I'm just getting set. I'm not completely done yet, but if I am, I'll show you guys. But it's quite late already. It's kind of late. So we are going to see 8 p.m. movie. Yeah, and I don't have light, so even if that, you guys should understand with me. I'll just see you guys how it went.
What goes around comes around. That's what I always say. 'Cause I just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself. Is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay. You made me feel the same way. What goes around comes around.
So guys, we came late and the food was almost finished, but we are going to manage with whatever we have. So this is what I end up ordering. How are you guys? I'm here for a next hour movie. Yeah. Don't worry, yes.
Because I just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself. Is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay. You made me feel the same way. What goes around comes around. That's what I always say. 'Cause I just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself. Is she helping with that?
Hello guys, so today this week's vlog we are starting by, I don't know, should I start complaining about how the country is? I have not had light for more than 1 month now and it's really not been easy with me. Yeah, vlogging, I cannot cook and store in the fridge, I cannot do anything, you know. So I decided like let me go and get generator. Getting generator in this country, I was thinking it was just small money until I try getting one. So we're actually going to the store to see other options they have. Let's see if it's something we can afford. You know, I don't get boyfriend for Abuja. My boyfriend is far away, so I decided like if I go alone as a lady, they may cheat me or something like that. So I holla my friend Yax. Hello Yax. So we are going together. Let me go and see what they have and if it's something we can afford actually. So how are you guys doing? I miss you guys. I miss you guys. This week vlog is going to be mad, like mad.
Goes around, comes around. That's what I always say. 'Cause
I will sit down. I will sit. So see plenty of options but I'm money. So guys, we are at the shop now where I need to get the generator. I'm seeing a lot of options but just like it's money, you know, you guys know how it is. But yeah, we'll try and see if we can price it down to our budgets. My budget is not much, I will see what I can do actually. If somebody I've ever one day told me that I will get to the stage where I have to buy generator, I would have actually said no. I have never one day thought about it. Never. Like never. They say when they give me a small spoon, you say when they give us stout.
Can't stout.
Yeah, I drunk that. Service. Now they collect my money, now they sweet you. They get joy. You know that see this in the film, I swear.
You don't need to water it down.
You know, you show up lights for the job. Am I supposed to
No
spend
one
this
else
much
has the
on
same
generator?
story.
Guys, I've picked this.
Stay with it, please.
I'm calculating that.
Stay with
They
it.
say this thing can actually take
You can
fridge,
take
can
all
take
the
AC,
time that you
and
need.
that's what
I know that you worry. Stay with it. You don't need to water it down.
So today is this is midnight. I don't really feel like sleepy. I don't know what's keeping me awake. I just feel like, okay, let me just watch Netflix and just edit. How you guys doing? If you don't feel like sleeping, what do you do? Thank you for watching, guys. Please do all to subscribe. I love you.
I just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself. Is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay. You made me feel the same way. What goes around comes around. That's what I always say. 'Cause
Thanks for watching this week's vlog. Please do well to subscribe. Thank you.